Hello everyone, coming back to the data types in Python. So now we'll see the data types in Python. So what are different data types are available? Generally the data types are integer, float, like string, double, list. So these are the new things. The fifth one is tuple and dictionary, and seventh one we can say sets, some frozen sets. All these things are there, types. So you people already know this float and int, and of course string also you know. And the new things are lists and tuple and dictionary and sets. So these are the main things. So the Python will be work, 50% of the Python is work on dictionaries and lists only, and of course strings. So of course, just see, we'll see how declaration will take place actually. Generally, let us say if someone assigns some variable x is equal to some 2, so immediately the x is defined with a integer like that. So let us say, suppose someone declared x is equal to some hello world. So immediately this x is assigned with a string type of variable. So like that. So here need not be declared with a pre-declaration like integer x or in a string x like that. No need. Directly, the what type of values are assigned to the that variable. The based on that it will be converting. So that is there in the Python. Let's say lists also there, like x is equal to some, so let us say Python word. So this is a list. So here if you write like this, so by default this x is integer. Here x is string. Here x is list. So like this, we'll see example you can understand clearly. Okay, just see here. Just open a notepad please. So click on plus. Just say right here. Let us say x is equal to some 2. Print x. Print type x. So let us say the same thing, just copy here. Let us say this one is hello world. Let's say this x is equal to Python world. Okay. So there's 3 different things. Okay, save. These are data types. Dot py. Now just see. Just run the program. It's command prompt. So cd just write type command Python data types. Something going wrong. Just see here. Okay, it is printed x value. Okay, it printed this x is int here. Here printed x is a hello world and the printed x is a string. Okay, up to here is okay. And then track back most call function. Python is not we need to declare, like it's a string, right? You need to declare like this. Yeah, see, save, and okay, just see here. Print x is equal to, and type of x is equal to int. X is equal to hello world, type of x is equal to string, and x is equal to this list, and the type of x is equal to list. So like this, so you will get anything. Okay, so of course we can extend the same thing. Let us say, so if you type like this, so it is tuple actually. Just see. So this is a tuple. Okay. So this is one. Yeah, this is the list, and this is a tuple. This is a tuple. Yeah, this is a way we can get the data types. So we'll get idea. So if you know, if you learn all the list and tuple and dictionary sets, so we'll get a clear picture on Python programming. Okay.